you, okay, maybe yesterday I didn't stress using the graph that much. No. Okay. Okay, I got you. I know. No, I'm not looking anymore. All right. Okay, let's look at this. Go back to your notes here, because this is going to go into your notes. It's going to be part of your notes here. When will the package be the same? I want you to erase your board, erase your table. I didn't go over it that well yesterday. So erase the table, please. Shh. Erase your table. We're learning, Gabby, that's beautiful mathematically. That's correct. Awesome. Okay, now, shh. And you can do it like that, but we're learning how to read graphs today. Great way to do it, though, Gabby. On the test, if you did it that way, it counts just as well. Okay? Now, for this one here, okay, they give you a graph already. Okay? You don't need to do the math. Some of you are doing beautiful math, which is great. Okay? I need to move you, don't I? Thank you. Then when I'm talking, no whispering or anything, all right? Now, notice here, I want you to put a nice dot on where the two lines meet. This time on your notes. I'm giving you notes on this white paper. Because you're telling me I don't give you enough notes. So I went out and made notes. Okay? Now, Chuck, put a nice dot right here.
I can't see. You're laughing. See?
Why isn't it showing up?
This is what you don't. Oh, you're
Okay, right here.
See that?
On that dot, put where they cross there. Okay? Where they cross. Okay? When is it? Okay, how much pound is that? 2. This is 2 pounds. Let's do it mathematically. A lot of you guys got the mathematical part 2 plus, it's $2 per package plus $1 per pound, right? This is ship fast, correct? And the other company is Speedy Delivery. Speedy Delivery. Okay? Speedy Delivery is $3 plus 0.5 times the number of pound, right? In this case, it is 2 pounds is where the two lines cross. Let's use that 2 pounds and input in the 2 pounds for pound there. 2 plus 1. Order of operation says we need to multiply first, right?
Oh, I can't see because of the
2.
recording center.
Oh, please.
Oh, it's a ship back.
Okay, Ship Fast. So how much would Ship Fast charge you?
$4.
$4. Let's do Speedy Delivery. 3 plus 0.5 times 2. We get 0.5 times 2 is 1. You put it in a calculator, you'll get 1. 4 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So the question is asking you, which company would you use? For what weight do the both company charge the same price? At 2 pounds, how much are both company going to charge? $4. Look at it here. Look at see at 2 pounds, this is Ship Fast, and this is Speedy. Ship Fast is $4. Speedy is also $4. Do you see that? Did we have to do all this math to find out the price? No. We would just go, okay, where they meet is where it's the same. The same 2 pounds will cost you $4 for both companies. Which company would you choose? Does it matter which company you choose?
No. Depends, what if
No.
they say they'll give it to you?
We didn't say pretend. They're the same service. They're wonderful. They're excellent. Both of them are great. Does it matter which company you choose? No, it does not. They're gonna still both charge you how much? $4. So look at 10. Using the graph. How much for, first of all, let's look at Speedy. Speedy is what color?
The purple one.
The blue purple.
The blue one, right? Okay, so let's put Speedy here. Okay, let's put Speedy there. Stop. And the other one is Ship. For 10 pounds, by looking at the graph without doing the math, 10 pounds. Show of hands, your fingers up. How much would Speedy charge you for 10 pounds? By looking at the graph. Show fingers up. How much? How much? Speedy. Fingers, guys. I need to see fingers on how much. Here, look at Speedy. This is the number of pounds. See, weight in pounds. How much are they going to charge you? Okay, a lot of you have 10. Why?
Because you.
Okay, 10 pounds is right here. This is the number of pounds. Do you see that?
Yep.
How much is Speedy going to charge you?
Told us to erase it, so we don't know.
Maddie, what would you do to find the price? You go up until you hit you stop there, right? How much is that? $8. So Speedy is going to charge you $8. Do you see that, David? Speedy is going to charge you $8. How about Ship Fast? Stop it. Put my stuff back. Okay? Tell me at your table, discuss how much Ship Fast would charge you for 10 pounds. Right on the table. One answer. I need to hear you talk. Okay? How much? How much? How much? That's $8 per pound. $8
Look, alright, so for,
Find who?
how many did you say? For 10?
Ship, right? So
Wait, for
what would you do to find 10 pounds?
Oh.
We're looking for 10 pounds. And then you're gonna go up. That's for Speedy. So this line is for Speedy. We're wanting Ship Fast. The
Dude,
line is
I
not
have an
there.
A in history.
Okay,
I
how
don't know what
much
else.
you think it is? Leslie, how much you think it is? That's for Speedy. We want Ship Fast. Okay? How much? How much is it? I don't see on the table. How much is it, class? It's about $12, right? Ship Fast because we extend this, Leslie.
I
We
already have that.
extend their graph to right there, going up to 10. Extend their graph. Right here. Okay? Right there. We estimate because there's no number here. We're guessing. So we're guessing about $12. So which company would you use? Speedy. So here's how you would answer this. You would answer, I would use Speedy delivery because it costs $8 for 10 for how many pounds? 10 pounds. For 10 pounds. While you explain to everybody why you use Speedy. You can't just say it's cheaper, okay? You explain why. I would use Speedy because it costs $8 for 10 pounds, while Ship Fast charges $12. It's right there. Don't just say it's cheaper. I want to know the math behind it. Why is it cheaper? Well, it's $8 here and it's $12 here, based on the graph, right? Okay, let's look at the back. Okay? I want you to, read and answer that question for number 2 using the graph. Okay?
One letter?
On the back, look at what I highlight. I want you to
Highlight that.
underline that. That's what you're going to answer. I want you to circle that actually, because that is the question you're answering. Okay? Yeah, on the table first. You always do on the table first. I want you to see who do it right.
We're doing A, right?
I'm jealous. I was jealous. I need you to.
Which one are we doing?
What I highlight there, you see it there? That's the one we're doing.
Oh, that one?
Okay? Answer that question.
I thought you were.
Okay? Get a marker. Please get a marker. Don't use algebra. A lot of you are using algebra. You're inputting and getting an output, which is great. I want you, this purpose of this lesson is to read the graph. Okay? I need you to read the graph. Yes. Right on the table, who charged more?
Oh.
The question asks, who charged more to deliver 15 gallons of milk? Why? Samantha, you did a major mistake on your test. Did you know that? Just by your graph, you know that it was wrong, right? Then you should go back next time and check your math again, because your math is all wrong. You saw different. You took out a decimal when there is a decimal there. Okay. Gabby, we need to go see Mr. Hyde. Okay. Let me see who has it. Do I want the math? Close. It's close. That's close. I need to see the other one too. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Okay. I need it on the table. There's no numbers there. There's math. Okay? No, I want you to read the graph. Not. Okay, you guys. Okay, stop. Okay. Look, a lot of you are still doing the math when they give you a graph, which is wonderful, which is great. I know you know it. But you didn't have to. Okay, I know you want to because that's what you're used to. but I want you to get used to reading a graph. That's the purpose of this lesson. It's for you to read the graph. Read the graph.
I did it. I finished.
Okay. Well, look, Dairy Farm. I'm gonna color Dairy Farm in blue, and I'm gonna color the other one in pink. Okay. Now, Dairy Farm. Let's look at Dairy Farm. They want 15 gallons, right?
Yes.
What number is that? The one on the side or the bottom? 15 gallons. Do we look a number on the side or the bottom for 15 gallons? Bottom, because it says gallon here. There's 15. Circle that number because they want 15 gallons. Going up. Okay, this line I hit first. Who does that belong to? Dairy Farm or Spotted Cow? What color is it? Blue. What color is? What is Dairy Farm? Blue. So how much did Dairy Farm charge you? You go across. 40, guys. 40. It would be right here. It's not 40. It's just a little bit above it. How much is that?
42.
About $42. Okay? Now the other one is Spotted Cow. Okay?
45.
Let's go on up. Did it go all the way to 45?
Yeah.
Did it go all the way to the corner right there?
Yes.
No, almost.
44.
So I would say 44.
It's just one number up.
So you would give us wrong?
No, if you put 45, it would have been fine. Okay, now, see how I didn't, which company, all they're asking, who would charge more? Who would charge more?
Spotted cow.
Spotted Cow. Do you understand why?
Because they're cows.
Okay, so, you would write here, you would say, Spotted Cow, write this down, Spotted Cow charge 44 about. Did we round it?
No.
Did we do the math to find the exact?
No.
No, because we didn't find the exact. We kind of guessed. If we didn't do the math to find the exact, we write the word no. You don't have to. That's why there's graphs. Spotted Cow charge about $44, but you need to use the word about though, because it's not exact. About $44 for 15 gallon of milk. Therefore, it is more expensive. It is more, or it costs more. Therefore, it is. Therefore, it costs more than who?
Abbreviated.
Dairy
DF.
Farm.
DF.
No. Dairy Farm.
That's the suffer, don't you?
Who charge
Can you carry this down?
about
She's making this up
how much? About $42. Period. You need to explain yourself.
for you. Can you move this screen recording thingy? Thank you.
Okay. Now,
Spotted cow.
okay? Any question? Okay, now, do you understand how to use the graph?
Yes.
You don't have to do the math. I understand. I know you want it. You want it?
No.
I want it. There you go. I want it.
You
You know, why would you even mention? You want it?
Because you grabbed it with the better. She could have a disease.
if you want 3 gallons of milk delivered to you on the table. On the table, right now, I want you to explain. Explain what? All of you. Use the graph to explain which company you would use if you want 3 gallons of milk to be delivered. Okay? Individually, by yourself. When you're done, raise your hand.
I said that.
Gabby.
Do I want you to do that? No, I want you to use the graph. Show him how to use the graph.
Just look at the graph.
No, don't just tell him that.
Andrew and Christy. Andrew told me.
Okay, who has the answer? What? There's too many of you. Okay. Discuss with each other to see if you both agree.
I would use Cow because they charge $10.
Open it and use it as a
Dairy
space.
Farm who charges
Don't have
$16.
smart comments for everything. Discuss with your partner. What? Okay, I'm glad. Okay. Now, you guys all chose what? Spotted cow. Do you understand? So, if I go on 3 up, it would get to $10. So I would use Spotted Cow because they charge how much? They charge $10 exactly, right? The line is there. They charge, you can use about if you want, charge $10. While Dairy Farm charge how much? About $16. Dairy Farm charge, did you write all this? About $16. Okay? Any questions on this? No?
Got it right.
How about 12 gallon? Okay, right on the table. And why?
It doesn't matter.
Okay? Right on the table. Okay, discuss with each other. You can. I'll let you discuss with each other on this one. Too bad. We had lunch earlier. The main
It could be my birthday present. My birthday's tomorrow.
Yeah, birthday's tomorrow.
It's 2 o'clock.
I'm gonna give him a birthday shout out.
It's 2 o'clock.
Hey,
Oh, guys, raise your hand.
I didn't see any of you volunteering to be my TA.
Can I ask?
I
don't know if it's TA for your same grade.
I was
Wow, spoiler
Can you
alert.
guess?
I
Spoiler
raised my hand
alert.
to protect it.
Okay, which company would you guys use?
Both.
Both of them.
Go on to everyone. You speak.
Okay, you know that every time you be a spoiler.
What I
Roger,
say?
true.
Give us a pinata.
It does
Fine.
not
Fine.
matter which
I will not participate in the company if I'm not
company. Write this down. Stop it. Sounds like my husband. Always excuses and why.
You really have a bad.
Arturo, you're
Does not matter which company you use. They both
Oh my
charge the same full. They both charge how much?
the same amount of money.
No, they both charge how much?
About 35.
$35. They both charge $35. You need, it's math. There has to be numbers in your explanation. For 12 gallons. Okay? Any question on reading a graph? No. Okay, very good. Now, tonight's homework, Tamaya's passing it out, is this on,
C and D.
it looks like your other homework, but it's not. It says day 2. Day 2.
Oh, it's not
What does it say? Day 2. And I expect you to answer the question on the side. Let's go and work on this together. If you know how to do it, go ahead and start on it.
I don't know.
I need to reset those staple it into my Ready? Oh, Maya. Okay. Okay, let's look at this. I typed this out myself. So the restaurant is called Full and Empty. See that? The restaurant is called Full and Empty. Two restaurant delivers. You can ask there. Hamburgers. Two restaurant delivers hamburgers. Full charges a delivery fee. Okay, of how much? Okay, full charges a delivery fee of how much? $30. Delivery fee of $30 plus $4 for each burger. Now, so what does each mean in math? For each, what operation is each?
Wow.
Same thing as per, it means what? Multiply. So, empty charges a delivery fee of $10 plus $6 for each. What does each mean in math?
Multiply.
Tammy?
Multiply.
No. Tiffany. Tammy. Sorry, Tiffany. What does it mean? What does each mean in math? Multiply. Okay, so Tiffany. Okay. For full, it says write an equation for both full and empty. Full. Tiffany. Stop. I make mistakes. If you got 160 students, you'd be the same. Okay.
I'm pretty sure there's no.
I have a robot.
I have a lot of
What
She
is
says
that?
I got 60 years.
Gabby, you okay?
Beside the point.
are you okay?
Don't give you a referral. I'll put -4 here for today's participation.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yes, you do.
So try tomorrow. Okay. So Tiffany, full. How would you write an equation for full?
Yes.
$30, right? You see it? So what do you see for full? What numbers do you see for full? $30 and the word plus.
Plus 4 times 8.
I'm talking to Tiffany.
Well, on the right side.
Robert!
Okay, 4 times what? Times H for hamburger, right? Times, each means times, and there's the word hamburger next to it. So it's times the hamburger. So instead of writing the word hamburger, they put H times H. Okay? This is not an equation. Who can tell me what this is called? Expression, Genesis. There you go.
He gets all excited.
Inference.
Hey, bro. Okay? If this is an expression, for it to be an equation, Addie, do we know what we need there? We need to fill this out. Hey, for those of you who did not write the equation, write it now. Okay?
I already know the equation for the other.
For the same.
Cushie. Equals to how much?
She's dying. It's Gucci.
Stop. The total cost. Yeah. Okay, it equals to the total
I
cost,
wonder how
right?
he cries.
Okay. The other one, empty. Axel, how would you write the equation for empty? Oh, 10 plus 6 and H. The parentheses for times, right? Okay, now, what is wrong? What is wrong with this? This is not right. How come?
Oh yeah, Robert.
No, I am not.
Why is this wrong?
No, I'm not making version. Doesn't count.
Okay, Gabby.
Oh wait, oh, it equals 8.
Give me
It equals 2.
equals to C. It equals to
What
C
did you say?
to make an equation.
She didn't say it.
Why? You already told her. Okay, so this chart is for full. Okay, so full is 30 plus 4 times
4.
4. Input the 4, right?
Yep.
So you get 30 plus 16 is 46. So you get
Oh yeah.
4 and 46. Okay, 30 plus 4 times 10. 30 plus 40 is 70.
Spoilers.
So 10 and 70. The next one is 12. 30 plus 4 times 12 is 48. You always multiply first, right? 30, that's 78. So that's 12 and 78. Look how much
That's a two.
faster we are than calculators. Okay, that is 32, 30. And then you do this. Hey,